Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I'll show how you can check the IMEI number of the XIAOMI Cloud locked Xiaomi smartphone like this one. So, as of recording of this particular video, the only real method that is left for you to extract the IMEI number of locked Xiaomi phone is by taking the original packaging or the box your smartphone came in and look for this particular sticker that contains not only IMEI numbers, which we were looking for, but also serial and EID numbers. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.